Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're watching this channel for the first time, I welcome you all and thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, and I appreciate you tuning into my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and leave a positive comment. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a lovely healthy tea that can cleanse your arteries and neutralize high blood pressure. Over here, in here, I have about 1.5 cup of water. So I'm just going to bring it to a boil. On this side here, I'm going to use 1 bay leaf, some cloves, slice of lemon. Reason why I portioned this out, as one of my subscribers said I should, give the proper recipe, and I'm using just a slice of onion. And the reason why I'm using that amount, because that amount can give me either 2 cups of tea or 1.5 cups of tea, or 1 cup, whichever size cup you use or whatever you prefer. I like about 1.5 cups tea because I drink a lot of tea. So I'm going to use a cloves, a bay leaf, and I have garlic here, and I'm going to use a spoon of honey because honey is a natural antibiotic. Same with the cloves. This cloves here, you can have this, like, just put one of this in your mouth in the morning. It's good for bad breath. It's a powerful antibiotic also. Same as the bay leaf. Bay leaf is very tasty. I urge you to just boil some of this. Just boil it. You can mix it with ginger and just put a little bit of honey. Just get real honey in it and try it. Very tasty. And as you know, natural vitamin C, antioxidant, help you to burn fat. Also, this one, antibacterial, help you to lower your blood pressure also. So I'm going to bring the water to a boil. Once it starts to boil, I'm going to add the bay leaf in. Matter of fact, I can even put the bay leaf in from now. Cloves. I'm going to add the cloves in. And the onion. And the lemon. Just put them in. Garlic, you can use a whole garlic, or you can just cut it in half, because I'm just making a cup. I'll probably go through 2 of this in the night. So I'm going to put a lid over it, let it boil up a bit. So ladies and gentlemen, this healthy tea, try to have it like every morning on empty tummy. Just drink it before you eat anything else. Just let it go through your system properly. So this I'll normally let it boil for about 2-3 minutes. I'm gonna get my teacup ready. Smell lovely. Smell really nice. Yeah, that smell really nice. So remember to turn on your notification button, and also I have a lovely tea tea coming up that will help you relax in the night. Keep you calm, relax. I'm sure you will enjoy because it tastes so beautiful. It tastes very nice, very effective. But I'm gonna give you a hint. One of the ingredients starts with my first name. So stay tuned. Okay, I turn that off now. Now I'll come back over here. I have my strainer here. Just put that in. So now I'm gonna strain it off. This is what it looked like. It's all natural ingredients. Can't go wrong with the natural ingredients. I pour it in my little strainer here. Don't want it to run over. Let me see how it is. So that should be enough. Then you just get a spoon of honey. If you need more, you can put it in it. As I said, I have some lovely tea coming up. Let's put that in. Let's get another one of a couple of cloves. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. Cheers to you all, and thanks for watching. I appreciate all your support, all your subscribers, all viewers. I appreciate you all. Keep tuning in. Peace be unto you all. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you all for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Peace be unto you.